This is CUBOT Max 3, and in this video we will demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So we'll enter the settings and go for the display category, as well as expand the available options for the screen timeout. We'll realize that the maximum value that we can go for by the default means of the system is 30 minutes. Therefore, in order for us to be able to set it to never, we can use the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's go ahead and download it. So open up the Play Store on your device, enter the Caffeine into the search bar. That will be the app that we are looking for, and we'll wait until it gets installed. Alrighty, so all that it's left to do is to launch the app itself. And in here, make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. And that will essentially mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time you'll keep it in the idle status. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.